I made this clock by myself. ഞാൻ ഈ ക്ലോക്ക് തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതാണ്. So please see the full video. Hi friends, my name is Ethan. നമുക്കൊരു running clock ഉണ്ട് ഇവിടെ. So now we're going to take it off like that. Now let's remove the battery. Now let's remove the needles. Now let's remove the machine after removing those. We took out the battery and the machine and the needles. നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പോ പെയിന്റ് എടുത്തിട്ട് ഈ കളറിംഗ് ബോർഡിൽ നമ്മുടെ ഓൺ ക്ലോക്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പോണേ. So now let's start making it. Now we have to locate the onboard center. So the clock has the center now. So we have to find the center on the board. This is how we find it. We put that stick corner to corner to corner and to corner like this. We located the center. Now നമ്മള് ഈ പെൻസിൽ എടുത്ത് സെന്റർ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പോണേണ്. Okay? So this is the center. So I'm going to mark it. Okay. So now we done finding the middle. So നമ്മള് ഇപ്പോ ഈ പേപ്പർ ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് ട്രേസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോണേ. So now let's start tracing. So I done fitting it in. Now let me trace it. So I'm gonna do the 12 first. So I just finished tracing. Now നമ്മള് ഇപ്പൊ fully trace ചെയ്തു. ഇവിടുന്ന് you could see if we have to trace it in the board, we have to cut the whole thing. So now ഞാൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പോണേണ്. So now I finished cutting it. Now നമ്മള് ഈ സെന്ററിന്റെ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഞാൻ എന്റെ ഫിംഗർ അവിടെ വെക്കണേ. Now we are going to trace it. Now I just finished tracing it. Now let's see how it is. Now I just finished tracing it. Now let's do the clock bit, coloring bit. Now let's do some artwork. We're gonna draw like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's start. Now let's start coloring. A little bit of red. I'm gonna do the 12. Now I'm using the red color for the 2. Now I'm gonna change the color into blue. So blue. Now I'm gonna color it into 1. how much yellow. Now I have finished doing the coloring. നമ്മൾക്ക് ഇപ്പോ കളർ ചെയ്തു. So now we have to take the black and do the dots. So let me start doing the dots with black. Okay, black. Still a little. Now the dot is down there. There. Now a little bit more. Then for the floor. There. I finished I finished the dots and the numbers. Now I have to do my palm coloring in the middle down there. So guys, I mixed all of these colors down here, and I'm gonna do my palm coloring in the middle. So I'm gonna do it. Let's start. Now let's do it. Guys, I'm gonna lift my hand and let's see how it goes. See, I did it. Guys, let me wash my hand and come back. Guys, I just cleaned my hands and dried it and just came back. So now we've done our creative part. Now let's wait for it to dry, and we'll install the machine. It's dry. Now it's dry look, okay? Now what we have to do is we have to put a hole in to put the machine and the needles down there and put it in through the hole. So we put the hole down there. Now the machine, we have to put the thing down there. See, that's the back part, and this is where the needles go on. Now I'm going to put the tape in. Okay, are you done taping it? Now the needles have dried. We're gonna install all of these. Okay, so we'll start with the small one and the medium. Okay, now the big one. So we install the needles. Now let's install the battery. Install the battery and see the clock's running. Hooray! Ding ding ding. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ if you like this video, subscribe, give us a like and give us a comment. We'll be bringing up with lots of videos. Bye. Ethan signing off. Bye.